Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 on a Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command and then paste it over here. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. First it will stop Windows Update service. Once done, you can run the second command. Paste it, hit the enter key. This will rename software distribution folder. Once done, you can run the third command. This will restart Windows Update service. Once done, you can run the last command, which will create software distribution folder, new software distribution folder. Once done, you can restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, then type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Then click on restart. Now once done, you can go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working, you can run these three commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, this process will take some time. Once it is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Now if these scans are stuck and it's not completing, then you can follow the next step. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or this update. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update, click on search, and on this page, let me change the language over here. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. This check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Then check your system type, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5089573. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working. Close all third-party applications. Like make sure only the update is running. The rest close everything. If you have any anti-cheat program like Faceit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then try again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to Advanced option. Scroll down, go to Recovery option. Here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, and then click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.